Hello and welcome back, and welcome to the Shed of Doom. Yeah, I'm in a bit of a sort out, so I've got everything pulled out in the middle of the room. I got caught out the other night, so everything got pulled back and shoved back in. Yeah, I'll explain what I'm doing in a minute, but yeah, it's good, ain't it? I think a lot of people were expecting a video this week of Project Fast Hater, but I've got to order the metal for that. I was going to do it tonight, or I'm going to do it tonight. I've been waiting for a payment to come through from a customer, and he hasn't done it yet because I want to order some more metal, but I'm just going to order the metal for the chat. If he don't pay me by sort of 4 o'clock tonight, I'm going to have to just order the metal for the basic chassis, and this is going to be, I'm going to make this into a jig when I've finished taking it all apart. The axles off of it, thread axles off of it, yeah. So like I say, I thought it ain't worth just taking bits off and showing you a video. I've started making a video for that, but like I say, I haven't finished it yet. We'll do that later in the week. So I've been working on Project Charlene, as you can see there. Don't take note of the pulleys, they're just chucked on there. I took the coil off the engine what was in the hater, and I put that on the 12 horsepower. So that all works, but I just can't get enough power in the battery at the moment to get it going fast enough. As soon as it gets a bit of compression, it just stops. But that could be the starter motor, because I had trouble with that starter motor, and I've had it apart a couple of times, that starter motor. But yeah, like I say, watch the video of that when it comes up, probably next week or the week after, and we'll go more into that, and we'll get that running hopefully. Right, another thing, I've got a new pet. I've got a mouse in here, and he runs around the back of the MTD, under the lift behind me, back across there. I don't know if he goes into the MTD, or he runs around the back and he goes into the shelving, or what, I don't know. Didn't notice it until I pulled a load of crap out to put the welder back in there, and it didn't appear until I'd done that, so I wonder if he's living behind them shelves or something. Yeah. One of the things that people said to me is the spiders will disappear, and as you know, I've got loads of spiders in here, and but I'm looking around and I can only find 2. That's one of them whole things with the long legs. Oh, I hate them. And this one here on the web there, hopefully you can see them. There you go. I don't know what focus that is. There you go. But that's all I seem to have spider wise in here. The idea is to tidy up, fill up all that crap in Louis' box, and I didn't realise how far that stood out, that toolbox as well. I probably could go back nearly a foot. So I'm going to sort them boxes out as well. That box there, it's just got a few bits in it what I don't take out, you know, in the van. So what I plan on doing next is putting all my welding stuff in there, and drills and all that sort of bits and pieces like that. And yeah, I've got to sort through your boxes. I mean, obviously I've got this one here. I've got to put the wheels back on it. This is the one I'm used to having in my van, taking my van I should say. Again, I want to be able to close the lids on them, especially if we've got a nice little mouse, you know, around here. I need to sort all this out because this is getting really annoying. Like I say, a lot of stuff in the middle of the room, what you've seen, and stuff on the bench and that, is what I pulled out. I'm going to have a good sort through, and yeah, I might as well get started on that. Yeah, the MTD, I'd like to get that out of the way, back outside really. Just give me a bit more space. At the moment I've still got the swimming pool up, so there's not really enough room. And if you remember, I got that in here by Louis putting it in with the Westwood, and me pushing and straining to get it in here. And that's when it had tyres that were up and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, sort of I don't know. Don't know what to say about it really. I'd like to keep it in here, but then we've got a mouse in here. Bloody birds outside. Now we've got a mouse in here. I'm thinking the less I have in here, the better. The things that amazes me when you're looking through the crap, when you've got all crap everywhere, and you think to yourself, I don't know where it comes from. Just this bench, you know, was clear not that long ago when we moved it here, or I moved it here, and I found this on it. This is a receiver for a 27 megahertz radio control thing with a cheap servo on it. That's for one of my boats. I haven't touched any of my boats for 10 years, I reckon, something like that. Not since I lived here anyway. But Louis got hold of a couple and smashed them up years ago, but somehow it's got raked out and it's on the workbench. You know, it just amazes me where the crap just keeps coming from and how it keeps getting dragged out, and you hold on to it. Well, the only thing any good in that may be the crystal. But yeah, it just amazes me, you know, and you think to yourself, I can't remember, where's this crap come from, you know? And yeah, because other little sods come in here and just drag stuff out. And Christ knows how they got in the garage, apart from, you know, I mean, on the bench what I cleared. I mean, I've got lots of shit on here and I've been moving stuff about, but it just amazes me, it really does. But we're waiting to start and I'm carrying on, and I'll see you in a bit. A quick question. What do you do with your old spark plugs? Everything I service, I take the plug out, put a new plug in. And I don't want to chuck them in a bin. I know some people weigh them in. I know I watched a video about a year ago, and there was supposed to be some precious metal in it. I can't remember what it is. I know some have got copper and bits like that in them, or well, you know what I'm saying. But there's another precious metal, I can't think what it was. And I'm breaking these plugs up. It was a lot of work for what it was. I can't remember what metal it was inside. It wasn't copper, it was something else. But also I service, every service I do, I try to put a new plug in. And I've saved every plug basically. I don't want to see it put in a bin. So I've got quite a few. I did give a load away to some bloke who did some art or something. I don't know what he did with them. And I never heard them all. I asked him if he wanted some more, and he sort of said, no, I've got plenty, thanks. So I'm not quite sure what they were doing with them then. So what do you do with your plugs? Do you just bin them? Do you chuck them in your scrap pile? Do you weigh them in as plugs? I don't know, because I've got quite a few. Like I say, I mean, a lot of my plugs are pretty good still, because every time I do a service, like I say, I change them. And these are the bridge plugs. That's NGK. That's an NGK, and that's Bridge and Stratton. I sell these ones on eBay if you ever need them. But yeah, let me know what you do with your old plugs. I just done a silly thing. I let that bloody thing drop on my foot, on my leg. I'll show you if I can show you. Hold on, might be a bit wobbly. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it, can't really see the viewfinder. Yeah, it slid down my leg, so it sort of sliced it nicely. Bastard, isn't it? Bested. Right, I'm going to carry on sorting out the workshop, and might do a couple of little blogs on it this week, sort of thing, sorting out the workshop, why not? And I'll show you some of the crap I'm getting rid of, and whatever, you know, we'll see how we get on with it. But caught my leg and I'm stinging. It ain't bleeding, it just sort of scratched it, I suppose. But it bloody hurts. So anyway, I'm going to leave it there. So I've got all this shit to sort out. I'll show you around and sort all this crap out. Hope you guys can focus. Who knows? That's better. Well, I don't know. Alright. Yeah. So if you like sort of stuff, thumbs up. You know the drill. And I shall see you next time. Take it easy.